Today we're going to make a drawstring pouch from Granny Square. This little pouch is perfect for gifts. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Put the back side on the back side like this. Now we're going to stitch the squares together, and we'll connect the two squares using a slip stitch. Connect them from this side. Insert the hook into the second chain from this square and also from the other square. And pull the yarn. Chain 1. Insert the hook into the back loop from this side and make a slip stitch. And into the front loop from the other side and make a slip stitch. Repeat the same way until you complete 3 sides of the granny square. And the last stitch into this round. For the next round, make a single crochet into each corner and a single crochet into each stitch. And repeat all the way around. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet right here. For the next round, chain 3 as a first double crochet, then chain 1 as a chain space. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet, chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and repeat all the way around. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the third chain, right here. For the next round, chain 1, and into this space make 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet into the double crochet stitch. Make 1 single crochet into each space and 1 single crochet into each double crochet stitch. And repeat all the way around. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet right here. For the last round, chain 3, then make 1 double crochet into each stitch. And repeat all the way around. To end this round, skip the chain 3 and make a slip stitch into this stitch. Now we're going to make the strings. Make a slip knot, then chain 75. Make another string. Now pull one string halfway through the holes and skip this one. Pull it through next one. And skip one. And do the same with the other half string. Now take the other string and pull it halfway through the opposite string side. And do the same with the other half string. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.